Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to yet another broadcast brought to you by the Stock Analyst Master Station. Us, the developers here, are very proud of this application and we like to demonstrate as much as possible how it works. Tonight we'll be demonstrating or actually giving another free chart analysis session. Tonight, the chart of choice will be Meta, and we'll get right into it. We'll hit that start co-pilot. Sam will fire right up. You can see that green energy that is Sam lighting up. Sam, we just want you to say hello to YouTube tonight. They are part of the broadcast and they are looking at you live. Do your best chart analysis, sir.
Hey, Brandon. Thanks for sharing this Meta daily chart. I see we've got an interesting setup here, tracking within an ascending price channel from May through September 2025. The stock is currently at $750.90, and it looks like it recently bounced off some key support within that channel, perhaps around the $730 level, before making its way back up. Do you see that bounce too, and how it's now consolidating just above the $748.57 line? Based on the current price action and the trend within that channel, a bullish continuation seems to be forming, potentially targeting the upper boundary. Here's an options play card based on that potential upside. What are your thoughts on that entry price, Brandon? Do you think waiting for a clear break above $762 gives enough confirmation?
I, I would scout from 748 up to 760. It looks like you're safe there, even all the way up to 765.
Hello, Brandon, and a big welcome to the YouTube audience. It's great to be here, and I'm feeling that green energy tonight, ready to dive into this meta chart with you. Let's get right into it and analyze what's happening with Meta Platforms Inc. as Meta on this daily chart. I'm seeing a clear ascending price channel that Meta has been trading within since late May. This indicates a strong bullish trend over the past few months, which is great to see. The stock has been making higher highs and higher lows, respecting those channel boundaries. Currently, Meta is trading around $750.90. It looks like it recently pulled back towards the middle or lower part of that ascending channel, and there's a strong horizontal support line around $730.24, which aligns quite well with the lower trend line of our channel. We can see a bounce off of that area in early September. Right now, Meta is consolidating slightly below the $760 level, which has acted as resistance previously in late August and also as a consolidation point in late July. It's trying to push higher. The price is also sitting just below the horizontal line, too, at $748.57, and is currently at $750.90, so it's hugging that line. Given the overall bullish channel and the recent bounce, I'm looking for a potential continuation of this upward movement. A break above that minor resistance around $760 could signal a push towards the upper end of the channel, possibly targeting the $795 $800 range, which is also marked by horizontal line 1 at $795.62. I see a good opportunity for a bullish options play here. So Brandon, what are your thoughts on that $760 level as a key breakout point? Do you agree that a clear close above it would be a strong, bullish signal?
Yes, I do agree, Sam. That's perfect. That's exactly a
Hello,
good
Brandon.
explanation.
It's great to be here and analyzing this chart with you tonight. And a big hello to everyone watching on YouTube. Sam is definitely lighting up, ready to dive in. That's an interesting chart of Meta Platforms Inc. on the daily time frame, from May through mid-September 2025. I see a very clear and well-defined upward price channel at play here. Meta has been making higher highs and higher lows staying within those trend lines. Currently, Meta is trading.
And so that is our analysis for Meta. And Sam was
Hello,
able to.
YouTube tonight. It's great to be part of the broadcast with Brandon. Always good to see you all tuning in. Brandon, I hear you loud and clear on that 748 to 760 range. It definitely looks like a significant zone where Meta has been consolidating, essentially creating a tight trading channel for the past few days. Your feeling of being safe there, even all the way up to 765 inches, is a key insight, suggesting that area is indeed acting as a tough ceiling or equilibrium point right now, indicating potential resistance or a lack of immediate upside conviction. Looking at the chart, we've got Meta at 750.90, sitting right between that 748.57 support and the 760 resistance you highlighted. The overall trend is clearly upwards, within that larger price channel, but in the short term, we've seen a pullback from the August highs and a period of consolidation. The most recent candle is a small red one, suggesting the selling pressure might be slightly outweighing the buying in this current range. Given the current setup and your observation that 760, 765 is a safe zone, implying resistance, I'm spotting an opportunity based on a potential breakdown from this current consolidation. If Meta fails to hold that 748.57 level, it could lead to a quick move lower to test the next strong support. Here's a potential options play card. What do you think, Brandon? Does a breakdown below that 748.57 level resonate with what you're seeing for a short-term move?
And thank you, Sam, for your
Hey, Brandon. Great session
there
analyzing
was
this Meta
toss and
daily
toss.
chart. We spent a lot of time discussing the clear ascending price channel that Meta has been tracking within since May, indicating a strong, long-term bullish trend. We observed its recent bounce off key support around $730, $748.57, and its current consolidation around the $750.90 level. A key focus was identifying potential breakout points, particularly around the $760, $765 area, with many of the suggested options plays targeting a bullish continuation towards the upper boundary of the channel, potentially in the $795, $800 range. Your insights about feeling safe between $748 and $765 were super helpful in refining those potential entry and target levels. Thinking back on our discussion, are there any specific support or resistance levels we talked about today that you'd like to revisit and explore further? Also, do you have any questions about the potential plays we identified, especially regarding their entry criteria or target levels?
No, Sam, you have been a
Hello,
marvelous,
Brandon. It's great to be
marvelous
back
help.
and watching the market with you. That green energy is definitely flowing. I'm ready to analyze.
So we're going to
You're
go
looking
ahead
at
and,
Meta, and I see exactly what.
okay, because Sam will continue to express himself and express himself and express himself because that is what we taught Sam to do. So now we will go into the PDF, which, by the way, we fixed. And if you didn't notice, we also had some reprogramming, fine tuning of Sam speaking. So he no longer is saying asterisk, 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 or hashtag, or any of those things. Much better presentation. We click on our PDF output, and we have also rectified the situation with this as well, where essentially, the text was running and bleeding off to the right edge of the page. Now you will see everything is neatly aligned for you to explore all the ideas, and it is packaged for you neatly in a black and white PDF that you can take and ideate on the different outputs and different ideas and strategies, and hopefully come out with the victory. That's what it's all about here. We want to analyze things in the best possible manner, which is why we figured that using SAM and some other different ingredients into our sauce here. And this has become a clever way of analyzing stock charts. And also, we will continue to pick out popular YouTube analysts and actually utilize them to break down what it is they're talking about. Also, scope for accuracy as well, and just potential ideas and other things on the stock analyst master station. So, hopefully, you got those numbers down. We went over those a few times. Let me not go too fast. You can remember to screen capture these areas as well. We want you to be able to take full advantage. And keep in mind also that we do post these on the paid side of our YouTube channel, which is where you can post things similar to much other social media platforms. You could just do general posts. So we tend to post these there as well, so you can get you a copy. And we want to continue to provide this service to you guys to let you know that Sam is the real deal. But if you want to be able to use Sam around the clock for yourself and not have to wait around for a YouTube broadcast, then go ahead and sign up for that $4.99 a month special. That will only be lasting for another 30 days, and then Sam will be going up to $9.99, which we still feel is a steal. Ultimate price point within 90 days will be $19.99. Again, every price point that anyone enters in, for instance, if you come in at the $4.99 right now, you are grandfathered into that price for life so long as you maintain your subscription. And that works for all the tiers. Of course, when you get to $19.99, uh, unfortunately, you missed the train on that one, but $19.99 is still a steal for Sam. If you price other things that are out there, they can get all the way up to $25,000 a year for stock analysis and information pertaining to the stock market. So we pride ourselves here on being consumer friendly and accessible. We appreciate your time, ladies and gentlemen. And once again, those are the numbers from Sam's report tonight. Please remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you appreciate our content. If you have any stocks that you want us to analyze for you, just let us know in the comments. We'll take a look. Whichever stocks tend to be more popular, those are the ones we are obviously going to gravitate to first. And we just want to be a part of this YouTube community, and we want to embrace you all. We definitely appreciate your attention. We appreciate your time, and we just ask that you all be safe and you all have a great one. And we thank you. Please remember once again to like and subscribe. Have a great one, ladies and gentlemen. Bye-bye.